This movie is taking place in the town of Shrewsbury, near Manchester. Shrewsbury was once a calm, quiet town before the rebels changed it.
I wish the weather wasn't so bad in this stupid town. I'm in Spain.
England is known for its terrible weather, raining all day like a crying baby. I want to go shopping in Shrewsbury town.
Yes, we finally agreed.
This statue is awful. We should replace it with something better, like a statue of me.
No one wants to see your stupid face in the middle of the town.
You're no one to talk.
I say we destroy it.
That's a good idea.
Oh,
My dear Detective Jones, I heard there's some people in town. How about what they made a bomb?
Oh, so do you think we need to check in the town?
Yeah?
Yeah? Hey, do you think these people are strange?
Yeah, I think we should follow them for a bit.
Yeah, let's go.
I think the best way to destroy it is with a bomb.
I agree, but where can we find one?
What can make it at home?
Like a homemade bomb.
Yeah.
Hey, do you think these people are strange?
Yeah, I think we should follow them for a bit.
Yeah, let's go.
Our bomb's complete. Let's go to the statue now.
I think this is gonna make my day. That journey was long. I gotta go to the toilet. Can you come with me?
Oh, little Thiago is scared of the dark.
Just come.
Fine.
I think I saw them here.
Oh, what's this particular bag?
No way.
Oh, there's so much inside. It's, what's that? Oh, they're planning to use the bomb.
Yes, they're planning in the bomb statue. Oh my god.
Oh.
No!
way!
I
You're
got
under arrest! You're under arrest, man.
Why did you do this?
I'm really sorry.
Sorry, you made bomb.
Yes.
Please don't arrest us.
You seriously? And you?
I'm sorry.
Just sorry?
You made the bomb!
You really